Now you are ready to record your standards and your unknown samples. For this, you will be putting your standards the same way that you put the blank into the spectrophotometer, and then press run and wait for the results appearing on the screen. You are going to do this all your standards one by one, the same way. Pressing the button run and then waiting for the results on the screen. Now you have got all your results from your standards on the screen, and you can use them to draw your standard curve. You will measure your unknown samples the same way and extrapolate the concentrations of the unknowns from the standard curve.